Hello everyone, my name is Jigdish. So in today's session, we will discuss about the digital electronics. So in that digital electronics, we need to discuss about the Boolean algebra. Here the Boolean algebra is a system of logic to perform the different mathematical operations such as the binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication and binary division. Here we in last sessions we have seen that the binary means it is having the only two digits are possible, it's either 1 or 2. Here in Boolean algebra the variables used have the unique property that they can assume only one of the two possible values 0 and 1. So any one value will be the output. Say if you give the input in terms of a 0 or 1, the output will be 0, either 0 or 1. So that is the logical equation is A plus B is equal to C. A and B are the inputs and C is the output. So in logical equation that is A plus B is equal to C. In logic gates, so we have three types of logic gates, that is OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. These three are called the fundamental logic gates or the basic logic gates, so which are used for all the calculations for binary addition, binary divisions or binary multiplication. So for all the purposes we are using this. Here OR gate, so it has the only one output and there are two inputs. If the output always it will be 1 when either A or B or both are equal to 1. Here the Boolean expression is same, that is the A plus B is equal to C. Here the A is input and B is input and C is the output, so we can write it as C is equal to A plus B. So here we are doing the binary addition. It is very easy to understand, that is 0 and 0 are the inputs and output will be 0 only. If we give 0 and 1 as the input, the output will be 1, that is 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1, and if you give the input 1 and 1, then the output will be not 2, it is 1. Because here 1 and 1 means here 0 and 1, it means that if it is on or off, if it is low or high, if it is true or false, so we have to express like that. It is a logical operation, that is if you give the two inputs high, then the output will be high only. If you give if the A statement is true and B statement is true, then the output will be true only. If both the inputs are off, then the output will be off only. If both the inputs are on, then output will be on only. Like that we have to express this truth table. Whenever both the inputs are high, then the output will be high in OR gate. We have AND gate. It gives an output 1 only when all the inputs are 1. Here if you give 0 and 0 are the input, then the output will be 0, because it is a binary multiplication we are doing here, that is 0 into 0 is 0. So 0 and 1, if both the inputs are either 0 or 1, then the output will be 0 only. If both the inputs are 1, then the output will be 1 only, that is 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So this is the symbol for AND gate. A and B represents the inputs of the AND gate and output will be A dot B. NOT gate, it is also called an inverter because it inverts the input signal. If we give 0 as the input, the output will be 1. If we give 1 as the output, If we give 1 as an input, the output will be 0. Here the symbol for NOT gate is shown here. So it has only one input and one output. So it is a reverse direction, or it inverts the input signal. So it is a formula is A is equal to A bar and D, NAND gate. So it is not AND gate. It is connected a NOT gate with the AND gate. It is a simple structure we have. So in the first diagram, so we first A and B are the inputs. So we have drawn that AND gate symbol and NOT gate symbol. So by adding both AND gate and NOT gate, so we will get the next structure or next diagram, that is A and B are the inputs and Y is the output, and in front of the AND gate we have a circle. So that is nothing but it represents the inverter, or that is represents the NOT gate. So that is a symbol for NAND gate. Here the truth table for NAND gate is, here the A and B, if we give the two inputs A and B, the output will be A dot B bar. Here we know that for AND gate we get A dot B, that is a binary multiplication, and for NAND gate we will get invert of that. If we give 0 and 0 input for A and B, the output will be 0 only. If we multiply 0 and 0, you will get a 0 only. But in case of NAND gate, if we give 0 and 0 as an input, so we will get 1 as an output. If you give either 0 or 1, the output will be 1 only. So it is high. Whenever both the inputs are high, then the output will be 0, because of that Boolean expression, that is Y is equal to A dot B bar. So we can write it as A dot A bar is equal to 0. So we can derive by using that. It is also same type of gate only. So this is a NOT and OR gate. It is connecting a NOT gate with a OR gate. The Boolean expression for this NOR gate is Y is equal to A plus B bar. Here the truth table for this NOR gate is, in the first diagram A and B are the input. So output will be A plus B, that is OR gate, and this is connected to a NOT gate, so which has only one output, which is the summation of A and B, and this inverts the signal, it becomes A plus B bar. Then in general, so we can write a second symbol, that is AP are the inputs and output will be Y is equal to AB bar. Here for the OR gate, so in front of the OR gate we have a circle, so that is represents the NOT gate. Here first we have to see the truth table. If we give 0 and 0 as an input, the output will be 1. So only the output will be 1 only for both the inputs are low. So if we give either 0 or 1 to the input, the output will be 0 only. If we give both the inputs are high, then the output will be 0. And exclusive OR gate, here this is a little bit different. Its output is low when both the inputs are high or low. It is either, say in the truth table we can see that if the input are 0 and 1 or 1 and 0, then only the output will be high. If both the inputs are low or if both the inputs are high, then the output will be 0 only. So this is called as an exclusive OR gate. The symbol is, that is AB bar plus A bar B, or A bar B plus AB bar, and this is represented with, that is Y cross B. This is the symbol for XOR gate. In among these three, that is NAND gate and the NOR gate are called the universal gate. Here because, so by using the NAND gate and the NOR gate, so we can construct the AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate or NOR gate, any one by using these basic gates. That is NAND and NOR gates are called the universal gates. And there are some laws, so which is there are some laws in the Boolean algebra. So first one is the commutative laws. If we give that is a plus b is equal to b plus a and a dot b is equal to b dot a, that is known as the commutative laws. Associative law, that is a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. So distributive law says that is a plus b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. We are multiplying that. That is not plus, it is dot. Rules for Boolean algebra. Here there are a number of rules for the Boolean algebra. I have given only the 10 or 11 here. That is a plus 0 is equal to a plus 1 is equal to 1, a dot 0 is equal to 0, a dot 1 is equal to a plus a is equal to a plus a bar is equal to 1, a dot a is equal to a, that is a dot a bar is equal to 0, a plus ab is equal to a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. So these are the rules for this Boolean algebra. In this session, so we studied about the Boolean algebra and we have studied some logic gates, that is AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, and rules for the Boolean algebra and some of the expressions. So thank you all.